Hello and welcome back to another devlog. Today I'm going to be talking to you about what I've been working on this week. A lot of progress has been made, so let's get right into it. The first feature is port scanning. For now it just shows what common ports are open. In the future it will show you the port and the version number so you can decide what exploit to use against it. The ports it will scan are 22, 25, 80, 53, and 137. Keep in mind that these are not dependent on protocol. Next up is a crypto miner. This program runs in the background and allows players a passive source of income. The crypto miner will receive a job, and after however long that job takes to complete, will output the job ID to a specified file. So to make the crypto miner work properly, you'll need to use the configure binary command to specify where you want the output to go. When you've collected all of your job IDs and you're ready to turn them in, you can navigate to cryptoforcash.com in your web browser. This website will take in your crypto IDs and give you money in return. Keep in mind, these IDs can only be turned in once. So that means if you steal another player's crypto IDs, you can steal their money. Moving on to SSH daisy chaining. This is a very exciting feature of SSH. Not to be confused with tunneling, SSH daisy chaining allows users to jump multiple hops into and out of one network or multiple networks. This is useful for getting around internal networks while completing jobs or spoofing your IP, so it looks like your connection is coming from somewhere else to another player. This is very important when it comes to ensuring your safety and making sure that no one can trace you back. Unlike other hacking games, if someone starts tracing your steps, there is no indicator of them doing so. This to say, play smart. Photo viewer is a new command that is used to open a photo viewer window of a picture file on your machine. The content of the file needs to be set to a roblox ASCII of an image. This will then be used to display in the photo viewer. Next is desktop icons. Although very new, I have some bugs to work out. It is a convenient place to easily access your files. Text files will open up in VPad to be edited, and picture files will be opened up in picture viewer. Executables will run if you click on them, and when I develop a working file explorer, a folder will open up in the file explorer so you can view the contents of a folder in a new window. The most exciting part of this devlog is that I've added emails. Emails are a great way to communicate with your friends or enemies. When a player joins the game, they are given an email by default and instructions on how to access their email on their desktop. Upon logging in, the players will be greeted by an email welcoming them to the game. Players can send emails to other players during the game if they know their username. If a player receives an email while they are logged in, they will be notified. In the future, emails will also play a part in black hat missions. This could be getting important information from an email or phishing an employee. This platform will increase the possible attack surface of target networks and tools players can use to get into the desired machines. On the subject of jobs, a new job type has been added. The players need to get important information from target machines as displayed in their job. The important information can come in the form of a full name, PIN, or password. To do this, players will need to read files on the target machine to get the required info for the job. These jobs pay a bit more than the credential stealing jobs. Lastly, a new background process has been implemented. Sked is a new service that will run tasks in the background and check the etchy-skeds file every minute. The format of the etchy-skeds file is a minute-hour command. If the minute and hour specified match that of or a variation of the current time, the command is run. This allows black hats to establish persistence on target machines or player machines. That was a lot to unpack, so if you have any questions or ideas, please comment them below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next devlog.